Hey there, everyone. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to adjust the reading level of any text in ChatGPT Canvas, all with just a few clicks or even one and a simple slider. So whether you want to simplify complex writing or elevate those casual text, this tool makes it super easy. Let me show you where it is. So start by moving your cursor, see right here, this is my cursor making circles, down to the lower right corner of your screen to that pencil icon. Once you move it, there we go. There are the four icons that will pop up in this vertical panel. Now look for this open book icon right here. It says reading level, the second one from the bottom. That is the one that I'll be showing you with this specific option. Click this one and you'll see a slider appear right here. So from here, you can choose which level you want your text adjusted to. High levels like high school, college, or graduate school, or you could go for lower levels like middle school or even kindergarten. The simplest of the simple. Okay, so once you've found the level that works best for you, well, just release the slider. Okay, let me show you. Let me go with high school right here. As you can see, it automatically turns into a send button right here. So, okay, before I click send, this is how it looks like with the text. So, actually, how about I'll go with graduate school? More complex. Right here. And now I'll click it. There we go. Just wait for a while. Okay. And just like that, your draft right here starting to rewrite. Look at that. As you've noticed right here with the graduate school level, it has more complex wording and vocabulary. See right here, temporal evolution of preferences. Yep, quite a bit complicated with how you could read it, but still proves my point with how the reading level changes. And why do I show you once it's down to kindergarten? And boom. Okay, just give it a while and yep, see right here, it completely changes. Very, very simple kindergarten level, as you've noticed. And yep, would you look at that? It even shortened right here. See? Very smooth, clean, and see, it's exactly how you need it. And yeah, that is about it for me to guide you on using the reading level to change it up. So if you find this video helpful overall, don't forget to subscribe to get you notified whenever we post a new video. And also smash that like button. That will help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, thanks for watching everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.